No! It's squeaky clean! Steve, I think this is not working. Let's go on to the next one. Hey, what up, guys? This is Regina. Welcome to MTV's Radical Brains. Today we're in Caroline's bathroom. It stinks up here. Can I get a boo? Boo! Right. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna check out. Caroline is a student, and what do we know about students? They're pretty nasty. So today we're going to check out if her bathroom is nasty. If it's gonna be nasty, she gets it. If it's nasty, no. If it's clean, no. If it's nasty, whoa! I see loads of dust on this thing, man. That's nasty. Holy cow, Kevin, you should come check this out.
Find out next time what happens on Radical Reigns.
That's a lot of dust, man.